So gluconeogenesis occurs in which organs? So the glycolysis or glucose breakdown occurs in brain, muscle, adipose tissue or fat, kidney and liver. So in all these options the glucose breakdown occurs, but only in liver and kidney, as you can see here, gluconeogenesis occurs. So the right option is option A. So flow cytometry analysis is done for. So flow cytometry is especially useful for classifying subjects of cells in leukemias, and also CD4 is T helper cells and CD8 is T suppressor cells. To find out is it positive, to find out the ratio of CD4 and CD8 cells. So flow cytometry is used in analysis of CD4 or CD8 estimation in AIDS patient. So the right option is option C. Proteins are linear polymers of amino acids. They fold into compact structures. Sometimes these folded structures associate to form homo or heterodimers. Which one of the following refers to this associated forms? So the four levels of protein structure is the primary protein, the secondary protein, tertiary protein and the quaternary protein. In this, the quaternary structure is aggregation of two or more peptides. So that is the reason there will be homo or heterodimers. So the correct option is a quaternary structure. Fatty acids help in synthesis of all except. So they ask us what is not synthesis from fatty acid. So fatty acids cannot be directly converted into glucose, but it can be directly converted into cholesterol, ketone bodies and fat. So that is the reason the correct option is glucose. Next, during conversion of glycerol to pyruvic acid, the first glycolytic intermediate to form is. So in the glucose, in the glycolysis step, from glucose we get fructose 1,6-bisphosphate, and then it will change into dihydroxyacetone phosphate and glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. So the first intermediate form is dihydroxyacetone phosphate. The 6-carbon 1,6-diphosphate is split into two 3-carbon compounds, that is glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate and dihydroxyacetone phosphate by the enzyme aldolase. So dihydroxyacetone phosphate is the first intermediate product of glycolysis and is converted to glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate by enzyme phosphotriase isomerase. For glucose estimation in blood, the mode of transport from primary healthcare center to lab is. So whenever we want to estimate glucose, so we choose a transport medium. So all these options are transport mediums: EDTA, sodium citrate, potassium oxalate and sodium fluoride. So the correct option is sodium fluoride. Grey top tubes are generally used for glucose measurements since they contain a preservative or anti-glycolytic agent such as sodium fluoride and lithium iodoacetate. Glycolysis can be inhibited and glucose stabilized for as long as 3 days at room temperature by addition of sodium fluoride to the specimen. A small calcium binding protein that modifies activity of many enzymes and other proteins in response to changes of calcium concentration is known as. So clamaldin is a calcium modulating protein, is a calcium binding protein found in the cytoplasm of all eukaryotic cells. So it interacts with many other proteins in the cell and acts as a regulator or effector molecule in a wide variety of cellular functions. So that is the reason the right option is clamaldin. Increase in lactate and pyruvate is seen in deficiency of. We have options pyridoxine, thiamine, niacin and vitamin C. So vitamin C can be removed because it does not come in the cycle of pyruvate or lactate. Other we have niacin, thiamine and pyridoxine. So the central role thiamine diphosphate in pyruvate dehydrogenase means that in deficiency there is impaired conversion of pyruvate to acetylcholine. In subjects on relatively high carbohydrate diet, this results in increased plasma concentration of lactate and pyruvate, which may cause lactic acidosis. So the right option is D, thiamine. So Krebs cycle occurs in which conditions? Aerobic, anaerobic, microaerophilic, or aerobic and anaerobic. So as you can see, citric acid cycle occurs in mitochondria and it is an aerobic process. It does require oxygen. The Krebs cycle is not simple. It is a part of complex multi-step process called cellular respiration. Although the use of oxygen is not directly involved, it is called an aerobic process. The right option is A. Serum creatinine can be most accurately measured by. So all these four options are measurements of serum creatinine. That is kinematic Jaffe technique is sensitive and only a good technician can do the test. Jaffe method is the most widely used method for serum creatinine and the most accurate is isotope dilution mass spectrometry. But here the option is not given. So other accurate methods are enzymatic and HPLC. So enzyme immunoassay is there in the option, which is an accurate method. So the right option is 3. All are true about glutathione except. So glutathione is a tripeptide conjugating agent. So the option 1 is right. And several xenobiotics undergo detoxification by conjugation with glutathione. That is also true about glutathione. And toxic amounts of peroxidases and free radicals produced in cells are scavenged by glutathione peroxidase. So the option D is also right. So only one option that is false, that is it converts hemoglobin to methemoglobin. And glutathione maintains RBC membrane structure and integrity, but it does convert hemoglobin to methemoglobin. So all the three options A, C and D are true and only D is false. The right answer is B. So all the following can be used to detect chromosomal mutations except. Options are restriction fragment length polymorphism, protein gradient electrophoresis, Argos gel electrophoresis, and pulse field electrophoresis. Only protein gradient electrophoresis is used for isolating the various protein samples on the basis of charge or molecular weight. It cannot be used to identify chromosomal mutations. So the right answer is B. The type of collagen not seen in cartilage is type 2 collagen is 90 to 98% seen in cartilage collagen. Type 6 is minor component and type 9 cross-links to type 1, type 2. So only type 4 is not seen in collagen. So the right option is option A. In prolonged starvation, the main energy source to brain is. Generally, the main energy source to brain is glucose and not fructose or not fatty acids. So C and D can be eliminated. In this, we have glucose and ketone bodies. So in normal stages, the glucose is a normal energy source. But during starvation, it is ketone bodies. And ketone bodies are major fuel source of the brain during prolonged starvation. 50 to 70% of the brain's energy needs are met by them. The ability of the brain to utilize fatty acids for energy is very limited. So all of the following are the functions of RNA except. So post-translation modification refers to the processing of protein polypeptides after their synthesis. These reactions occur in cytoplasm or Golgi bodies. RNAs have no role in it. All other choices require RNA. Decarboxylation of which of the following amino acid results in formation of vasodilator. So whenever histidine is decarboxylized by histidine decarboxylase enzyme, histamine is formed. And histamine is a potent vasodilator. That is the reason option C is correct. Vitamin B12 acts as a coenzyme to which of the following enzymes? We have isocitrate dehydrogenase, homocysteine methyltransferase, glycogen synthetase, and GCP dehydrogenase. When we see the cycle of homocysteine, the homocysteine is converted to methionine with the help of vitamin B12. It acts as a coenzyme here. So that is the reason homocysteine methyl transferase is the correct option. And vitamin B12 is required as a coenzyme to homocysteine methyl transferase involved in the synthesis of methionine from homocysteine. The ligand receptor complex dissociates in the endosome because so the low pH breaks the linkage between the receptor macromolecule complex, endosomes, and their role in receptor mediated absorptive pinocytes. So that is the reason the acidic pH, which is the low pH of the vesicle, causes the dissociation of endosome. So the right option is option C. The human plasma protein containing the highest percentage of triacylglycerol by weight is. So we have VLDL, chylomicrons, HDL, and LDL. So the largest and the biggest is the chylomicrons. So lipoproteins may be differentiated on the basis of their lipid and protein compositions, and the lipoprotein containing the largest percentage of triacylglycerol are chylomicron, as you can see in this picture. The sigma subunit of prokaryotic RNA polymerase. So what does it cause? The sigma factor enables RNA polymerase to recognize promoter regions on the DNA. It also binds to the core enzyme to convert to holo enzyme. It recognizes the correct promoter site by decreasing the affinity of the enzyme at the non-specific DNA sequences. The amount is only 30% to the amount of the enzyme. So that is the reason the correct option is C. It specifically recognizes the promoter site. Which type of RNA has the highest percentage of the modified base? So transfer RNA or tRNA is the most abundantly modified type of RNA. The tRNA contains many modifications of the standard bases A, U, G, and C, including methylation, reduction, deamynation, and rearranged glycosidic bonds. The structural proteins are involved in maintaining the shape of a cell or in the formation of matrices in the body. The shape of these proteins are. So as you can see, the different types of shapes of proteins are fibrous proteins, globular proteins, and membrane proteins. In this, only the fibrous proteins, which are the linear strands, play an important role in structural of a cell, and these are often water insoluble. So the correct option is option B. Proteins responsible for maintaining structural strength of cells and tissues include collagen, keratin, myosin, and these proteins are classified as fibrous proteins. Which one of the following is correctly matched? So here we can see the options isocitrate, succinyl-CoA, succinate, and malate. So these options are referring to the citric acid cycle. So in citric acid cycle, only succinyl-CoA to succinate 1 ATP is formed, as you can see here. And in rest of the cycles, ATP is not formed directly. There is a formation of NAD or FAD. The reaction is catalyzed by succinate thiokinase and is the only step in citric acid cycle resulting in substrate level phosphorylation. So iron is present in all of the following except myoglobin. Myoglobin, the first option here, iron is not present because if iron is present in the structure of a myoglobin, it is called hemoglobin. And we have another option, cytochrome catalase and pyruvate kinase. All these enzymes contain iron in the form of heme except pyruvate kinase. And pyruvate kinase does not contain iron. So the right option is option D. During phagocytosis, the metabolic process called respiratory burst involves the activation of. So we have different options: oxidase, hydrolase, peroxidase, dehydrogenase. So the electron transport chain system responsible for respiratory burst is NADPH oxidase.